15 things not to do if you want to go viral on YouTube. 1. Ignore your thumbnail and title. If you're uploading videos with default thumbnails or generic titles like My Day or Funny Clip, you're sabotaging yourself from the start. Your title and thumbnail are your first and sometimes only shot at grabbing someone's attention. Without a clear, intriguing, or curiosity-driven combination, even your best content might never get clicked. Think of them as the cover and headline of your content. They must be clickable, relevant, and emotionally engaging. 2. Fail to hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Don't open with a 30-second logo animation, long intros, or slow storytelling. On YouTube, attention spans are brutally short. The algorithm measures how long people stick around, and viewers drop off fast if you don't hook them. A viral video usually gives the viewer a reason to stay within the first 5-10 seconds. Start with a question, shock, teaser, or straight into action, and only then backtrack if needed. 3. Copy viral videos without adding anything unique. It's easy to look at viral videos and think, I'll just do the same thing. But YouTube already has that video. Why should the algorithm push yours? Repeating what's already been done, without adding your own twist, won't give you much traction. Study viral trends, yes, but remix them, add your own flavor, or combine them with another concept to make something fresh. 4. Post inconsistently or sporadically. You can't expect to go viral by posting randomly once every few months. YouTube's algorithm favors creators who show up consistently and give viewers a reason to keep coming back. Whether that means weekly, bi-weekly, or daily content, consistency builds audience trust and signals to YouTube that you're serious. 5. Disregard viewer retention metrics. Even if people click your video, that doesn't mean they'll watch the whole thing. Watch time is key to going viral. If viewers drop off within the first minute, YouTube assumes your video isn't delivering value and will stop recommending it. You must keep your audience interested from start to finish, avoid rambling, get to the point quickly, and use editing to keep the pace tight. 6. Try to appeal to everyone. Trying to make a video that everyone will like is a recipe for nobody caring. Viral content usually speaks clearly to a specific audience or niche. Whether it's gaming, productivity, parenting, or fashion, pick a lane and speak to the people in that lane. Ironically, the more targeted your content is, the more likely it is to resonate and spread. 7. Overlook the importance of good audio and visual quality. It doesn't matter how entertaining your idea is. If your audio is echoey, distorted, or muffled, people will click off. Bad lighting, shaky camera work, and low-resolution footage can also hurt you. You don't need a $1,000 camera setup to go viral, but you do need clear audio, decent lighting, and some attention to production quality. 8. Forget to optimize descriptions, tags, and keywords. The algorithm relies heavily on metadata to understand your video, and if you don't include relevant keywords, tags, and a solid description, your video may never get discovered. You're not just creating for people, you're also creating for the algorithm. Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to find searchable keywords in your niche and use them strategically. 9. Beg viewers for likes and subs without earning it. Like and subscribe, shouted in the first few seconds, will almost always fall flat. Viewers haven't even seen the value of your video yet. Instead, focus on delivering great content and then add a natural, well-timed call to action. Even better, give them a reason. Like, if you want more quick meal tips, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. 10. Ignore trending topics or jump on them too late. Timing is everything with viral videos. If a trend, meme, or challenge is exploding on YouTube or TikTok, you have a limited window to join the wave. Waiting too long means the momentum will be gone, and the trend might already be saturated. Use tools like Google Trends or the YouTube Trending tab to keep your finger on the pulse. 11. Upload long, boring, unedited videos. Long-form content works, but not if it's dull. Uploading a 20-minute vlog with no editing, poor pacing, or aimless conversation will drive viewers away. Every second of your video needs to earn the viewer's attention. Learn basic editing, cut pauses, tighten speech, add B-roll, and use text or effects when needed to enhance the storytelling. 12. Use misleading clickbait. Clickbait it may get clicks, but if it doesn't match the content, people will bounce fast, and the video won't spread. YouTube's algorithm tracks viewer behavior closely. If they leave quickly, it sends a red flag. Instead of misleading, use curiosity bait. Create titles and thumbnails that tease something exciting but deliver on the promise. 13. Skip the call to action entirely. On the other end of the spectrum, not asking viewers to take any action can mean missed opportunities. Once you've delivered value, clearly ask them to like, comment, subscribe, or share and make it relevant to the video. People often need a simple reminder to support what they enjoyed. 14. Ignore comments and viewer engagement. If people take the time to leave comments and you don't reply or acknowledge them, you're missing out on building community and loyalty. The algorithm notices videos with strong engagement, including comments and replies. Show your audience that you're listening and involved. This creates repeat viewers and builds momentum. 15. Expect a video to go viral without promoting it. Even great content sometimes needs a push. Simply uploading a video and hoping it catches fire isn't enough. Promote your video on your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Reddit communities, Discord servers, or blogs. The more traffic you can drive early on, the more likely the algorithm is to push it further. Initial traction matters. Final thought, going viral on YouTube is never a guarantee, but avoiding these 15 pitfalls will dramatically increase your chances. It's about combining creativity, strategy, and consistency with a deep understanding of what keeps people watching and sharing.